Those are the biggest jack stands I've ever seen.
Beef! That's how we roll up in here.
He gets a lot of free scrap from work, and they were throwing out all of that. So, he built giant jack stands out of them.
How high you want to go?
Looks great.
Awesome. Now you just see me cutting on these coils. Got these from James Duff, Duff Tough. They are amazing. Love them. A lot better than the stock ones. But the aftermarket coils do not fit through the hoop that actually holds the coil in. So I shaved the top of it. This one I already have done. You can see how I shaved the top of that. So now they'll just go and spin right in. It's easier when it's held in place there. Here you can see the difference between the 6-inch coils and the 8.5 to 9-inch coils. Nice. 39.5 is coming up. Shh, don't tell my wife. Alright guys, if you zoom in here, yesterday taking this coil bucket off, I had a bolt snap off of there. They were both pretty tight, but one came out, one did not. The other side came off good. So we're going to put a nut on there, do a little tack inside of there, weld that in there, and hopefully she spins right on out of there.
Can you breathe any louder? I think it's hot.
I can't tell.
I think you might have a hold of it. What are you doing over here?
Hey, you got it.
Get her?
I got her.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Yeah. $1979 OEM replacing 7-degree bushings coming up.
crunchy.
Yeet!
Bye-bye.
As you can tell, I was just grinding these shock brackets off of here. This one here was rusted out a little bit. I'm gonna buy new brackets, or I might box these in, make a whole new radius arm out of it, box all that in, new shock tower coming off the top of it. Not sure, but we got to wait for some new bushings to come in. We got the C bushings here, but the other bushings we got to wait to come in. They'll be here in about 2 weeks, so we got some time to work on these. But in the meantime, we're gonna get this video up, and I'll keep working at this, and stay tuned to see the finished product. Thanks for watching.